The major objective of the 5G Smart Lock Port Duisburg project is to enable automotive cranes. So we want to pick containers and automatically move them onto ships and also onto trains, trucks, different carriers for the containers. And in order to enable that, we have to install a couple of sensors in the Haber. Currently, we already have installed gates that basically control the trains when they arrive in the Haber, also control trucks and ships when they arrive in the Haber. We also need to install radar systems and LiDAR systems to locate a container unit on the Haber. And in order to interconnect all these sensors and cameras and radar and LiDAR systems, we are using 5G technology. "5G is necessary here. If we want to go for automotive cranes, then we have to avoid any latency. So any data that is, for example, covered or catched by a camera has to be transported to the terminal operating system without any delay. Otherwise, we cannot allow automotive crane movement. And that is what 5G provides. So it provides a much higher data rate and a much lower latency than the older, the so-called legacy wireless networks like LTE. If we are successful, we can speed up the time we need to pick a container and move it, for example, onto a train. That means we can handle more trains on the same area, in the same Haber, per day. And the Haber is basically the hub between the train and the ships. So it allows us to increase the long distance traffic. We can move containers from trucks to ships and to trains. And if we can handle more trains on the same Haber or in the same Haber, we can increase the capacity of the long distance traffic. Come to Duisburg. Well, we have the largest inland port here in Duisburg, with Duisport, the operator. We have Deutsche Telekom in our example, in our project, who is interested in this technology. They are providing the 5G coverage, and they have identified Habers not only in Germany but also in Europe and internationally with T-Systems that are basically could be a new customer for them, industrial customer for the new 5G technology. We also have University Duisburg-Essen, which is one of the leading universities in Germany for 5G and 6G technology. And for new industry, we have the city of Duisburg and we have also Startport. Both are also project members. And they are providing basically an end-to-end program for new industry that would like to come to Duisburg.